Welcome to my channel XLurskill. Today topic we're going to see on transpose. Transpose is help you to rotate your data from horizontal to vertical. Let's see an example. I have a set of data. It is in the vertical format. Now I want my data to be moved from vertical to horizontal. The first method we're going to see a static method. In this method, I'm just copying the entire data. While pasting it, you have to go with paste special option. Under that, you have to tick on the transpose. So see, the data has been moved from vertical to horizontal, and if there is any changes in my data, in the current data, it won't affect. That is why it is a static. Now we'll see a second method, that is a formula. We're going to use it for this. So if there is a formula for transpose. So to activate the formula, you have to give equal and then type transpose. So transpose formula, if you open the function argument, in this function argument, it will tell about the transpose formula, how that formula will work. So the formula works, it's to convert the vertical range of cell to the horizontal or vice versa. And it is stored in the array method. So array means storing the entire range in one cell. So that is what it is array. So when I'm giving the formula, you will see the value error because all the data has been stored in one cell. It's not able to execute in other cells because we store everything in array. So you want to know how it is stored, you have to click select the entire formula and you have to click F9. This F9 will execute the how the data has been stored in the formula. So look at it, it is stored everything into the array format. Now how to execute, how to bring the data to another cell. So first you need to select the range first, the entire range where the data you wanted to bring. Select it and then go to the cell and you have to type transpose, and then now you have to select the entire range value. When you're giving enter, you should not give enter, you have to give control shift enter. So then only the formula will execute. So in the advantage of this formula is when you try to correct any data, let you to correct it because all the cell of this range value is in the one place. Okay, so it is a another advantage of the transfer formula, it works dynamically because if I change any value in the data, it will get changed here. So that is why it works in the dynamic method. So third method, we're going to work on the cell reference. So under the cell references, we need to call the cell A1 and my cell B1. Okay, so when I drag the data, it will work or it will difficult to pull the value on the horizontal way. So what method we can use it? I want my first value should be prefixed, only the row value should be keep moving it. How we can do it? So I'm going to use the prefix method, that I'm going to use my name XLurskill, and then I'm applying the A and 1. So when I'm used the flash fill, and this all the all this four letter will be constant, only the number at the last will be keep changing it. Okay, so now I'm going to use prefix word xus, and for the same for the b value also I'm going to use xus. So instead of equal, I'm using my prefix value. So if I drag the data to the entire range, and now if you look at the cell values, according to the value of the row, it is getting moved. Now I'm going to replace that prefix value with equal. So what is the function I can use? I'm going to use the shortcut key Control H, and now I'm going to replace with xus as equal. So when I give replace all, it got replaced and even my data has been moved it correctly. So if I change any of my value, it works perfectly. So these two methods works in the dynamic format. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and give a thumbs up button. Also, you can provide your comments in the below link.